Hi, third graders. For today's phonics activity, you're going to be using a lotto board to play a game with a partner, and you're going to be talking about antonyms or finding antonyms. So each of you, you and your partner, will both get a board. So when you open up your assignment, there's one board, and then over on the screen, you have a second tab that you can click on to get a second board. So you'll have some of the same words, and then you'll both have some different words. You and your partner are going to take turns choosing a card. So if my partner and I, we both have the word real as our first word. If my partner goes first, okay, here's the word real on my partner's board. They have to find the antonym. The antonym for real would be fake. So I would be looking on my board up here. There's the word fake. If I have it, I put an X on top. And then it would be my partner's turn. I would pull this card off the top. My partner would also pull the word real off the top, and my partner would start with the word hot. Here's the word hot. I'm looking over here for the word cold. There's cold. So I click and drag my X to put my X on top of cold. I'm going to get rid of the word hot to move on to the next card, and my partner is also going to get rid of the word hot to move on to the next card. If I come to a card, go, and I wouldn't happen to have the antonym for it, then I don't put an X on the board and my turn is over, and it would be my partner's turn again. So you're going to continue playing back and forth, drawing cards and putting X's on antonyms until one of you has filled up your whole board, and that would be the person who would be the winner of the game. Have fun finding antonyms.